Hi, in this session we'll learn how to drill through to give the user more details about any part of my visual in a detailed page. So this visual here is the total price by country, and I need to create a breakdown for this country for a selected one. So I will display a card with the country name. Right now, this card displays the first country, which is almost Egypt, because of the letter E, but I will include a table to display the total price per city. Now, as you can see here, we have all the cities from all the countries, not only from Egypt. Let's include a line chart that displays the total of the price year by year. I'm going to remove 2018 from this visual because we only have 1 month in 2018. So this visual, sum of price, I'm going to filter the year to include a basic filter for all the years except 2018. So now we have a line chart that displays the total price for all the countries, not for the selected one. I can include as many visuals as I like as the details for the country. Now, this page I intend to use as a filter for the selected country. So from the page information, I will drill through this page by the country name. If you successfully add the country as a drill through, you'll find this back button here. Now, from any page in your report, as long as the country is one of the part of the visual, you can just right click and drill through to the detailed page. So because I right click Egypt, I can see Egypt, but if I right click Qatar, drill through page 2, now you can see now all the information is updated to only display information from country. And this button here will take me back to the previous page.